Begin in tabletop, checking in on the mat, hands beneath shoulders, knees beneath hips. From here, lower down onto your forearms. Check that the elbows are directly underneath your shoulders, hands in line with the elbows. And then tuck your toes under. On your next inhale, lift your hips, sending your sit bones up towards the sky. Begin to walk your feet in towards your elbows, moving slowly. Allow the legs to gradually straighten, keeping a soft bend in the knees if that feels better. Press evenly through the forearms and the palms, feeling the connection to the mat. Pressing the forearms firmly down and gently drawing the shoulders away from the ears. Feeling the upper back broaden as the shoulder blades wrap slightly around the ribs. Notice how the weight is distributed between the forearms and the feet. Allow your spine to lengthen from the tailbone through to the crown. And if the hamstrings feel tight, keep a softness at the knees. Stay connected with your breath and take a few breaths here. And when you're ready, slowly lower the knees back down to the mat, returning to tabletop.